Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Coffee Circuit. Today I'll show you how we make a complete electronic circuit. For this I'll be using light emitting diode, resistor, breadboard and connecting wires, battery also for power supply obviously. So let's get to our workstation. So let's go. The first component is breadboard. This is used to hold all the electronic components. The second component is LED, light emitting diode, and the third component is jumper wire. They are used to transfer charge from one point to another point, like I can show you. Uh, from here, I have to transfer the charge to the different location, but I don't want to travel all these points. So I'll directly connect to that point where I want to jump. So the charge will jump from this point to this point. That's why it is called jumper. And the last component is our power source. This is the power source. So let's make the circuit. Okay. So first take the load here LED. Remember the terminal. The longer one is positive. The shorter one is negative. Okay. So I'll connect it anyway. To know how the breadboard works, you can watch my another video through I button, or you can go to my channel. For positive terminal, I'll be using blue wire as a positive and gray wire as a negative. So this is now the source will be connected. This is negative, this is positive. Place it here and I'll turn the light off. Now you can see the LED glow. Just simply add resistor to the positive terminal of the load and then connect the resistor to the power supply. You can see the LED is glowing but dimmer. Okay, I'll directly connect it to the source. It will glow bright. I'm just skipping the resistor. You can see it is glowing bright. So that's all. In my next video, I'll show you how we can add a switch to this circuit, because you can see I'm having difficulty to constantly hold this wire like this. So I'll make it easier to turn it on and off, and I'll also tell you about the open and closed circuit. So see you in next video. Bye bye.